Alright, what's up everybody? My name is Falarin Davis and this right here is my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making the portal gun from Rick and Morty. If you're watching this, you might already be a Rick and Morty fan, and I want to say congratulations because I am too. Second, if you aren't a Rick and Morty fan or you just don't know what it is, I'd say go watch a few episodes, see if you like it, and yeah, tell me in the comments. Alright, so now I'm going to go to a quick build montage so you see the process that's taken building the portal gun. And I want to say before that, I'd like you to like, comment, subscribe. Alright, let's go. Okay, so I just finished designing the portal gun that I'm about to print. So basically, as you can see, it's about 80%. Yeah, I'd say it's about an 80% replica of the exact portal gun, except for the fact that I have a button instead of a dial. But yeah, I have the space for the LED monitor. I got the bulb on top. I got the 3 bulbs in the front. Yeah, and this is basically the space inside where I'm gonna keep all the components and everything. So I'm gonna start printing that right now and start working on the code and the electronics. Okay, so at this point, I got the body printed out right here. I have the bulb for it right there. I got the handle too, and the button. I got the LED screen right there. And I have some of the electronics working already. So the basic idea with this is, let me power it first. Okay. So if I press the button once, I want all the LEDs to turn on. If I press it twice, I want all the LEDs to turn back off. And if I hold it, they do this cool motion. So yeah, that's basically the LEDs for the main bulb. Now I got the LED monitor saying what I wanted to say, the C137. I got all the code right here. Got the button working. So right now, I'm gonna put the whole portal gun together and have it done. So yeah. Alright, so what's up everybody? Finally we're at that point of the video. I actually have work. Where was I? Okay, yeah. So we finally have a working portal gun. I mean, obviously I can't go to like another dimension or something, but maybe for the Mark II, who knows? If you guys want to see that, tell me in the comments. I might actually do it. Okay, so, but for this one, I basically just have an Arduino Nano hooked up to a bunch of LEDs and a button. That's literally the whole concept with this. So, oh yeah, and I have the cool LED screen with the C137. So the basic concept with this thing is, if I press it once, it turns on. Press it again, turns off. Hold it down, LEDs do this cool thing. And the front LEDs blink too. It's pretty cool. On the real one, he has an actual dial. I don't have a dial, like I don't have one of those parts with me, so I'm just sticking with the button for now. Maybe for the next one, if you guys want one, just tell me. Yeah, for the next one, I will probably use a dial. But as you guys have noticed, the main problem with this is I have to plug it in to get it to work. So basically, without the extra cord, this is basically just like a figurine or something. Doesn't work, but even that's mainly because I don't have a battery that can fit inside this thing and power it at the same time, which is a little bad, but I don't really care because I used my glue gun to make a hole and it works. C137 everything. So if you guys like the video, just like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you actually want me to make next. So yeah, I'm gonna see you at C137.